Welcome to my channel. Today I will install a linear outlet here in my project, so there will be no outlet on the wall. It will be underneath the cabinet. So the tools we need is the materials we need is a wire nut, ring nut, ground connector, and a Romex connector, like that. On a rough electrical, I put a pigtail like that below the cabinet there, a Romex pigtail, and I put a combination of AFCI and GFCI inside the cabinet, so it's easy to access when it trips. Nowadays here in California, they require a combination of AFCI, arc fault circuit interrupter, and a GFCI ground fault circuit interrupter. It's like this. This is more cheaper than a circuit breaker. Circuit breaker costs like $58, and this one is like, I think, $29 or $30, and it's more easy to access when it trips. And I already installed this, the base there, like that, and and then later on I'll just cover that Romex. I'll put a piece of wood and paint it white. Okay. So we will install this one, and at the end I'll just put a wire nut on the hot wire, the black, and the neutral white wire, and the ground I'll just cut it like that, without any cover, because the body of the metal should be grounded, and just like that. And then I use a rubber mallet to put this in. Just like that. Yeah, first you need to put the inside first, and then there, like that. There, see, and then cut this wire the same length as this one. Okay.
and then remove this there. Okay, so just connect this this black to black like that, and white to white like that, and white to white, and then this ground you have to connect it to the body, to that one. There's wire nut, there is a nut there, and then connect to this green like that. Okay, I turn off the camera because you won't see it, because I'm working alone.
Okay, let's try it. We will use this one. It's an instrument to check if it is properly wired. So the first two, that is correct. If that's light, both these first two on my right, it is a correct connection. So we turn on this one. Okay, so there is a power now. Okay, so there, see that one. Check this one. There, see, it's see, I don't know if you can see those two light, so it's correct. And the box of this one is very small, so the wire are too tight like that. And then later on I will make a box, a small box, to cover this Romex, so the inspector won't see it. Some inspector, they will approve it like this, but some inspector they won't, or just say, hey, cover that one, but they'll still approve it. Okay, so now I will put the cover. So that is how you install this strip outlet under the cabinet. So you won't see any outlet on the wall except this switch. So even there is no outlet there. And then I have also one here. You see this pigtail? It's ready. There. We will see if what is the inspector will say on this one, because more than 2 feet away from the outlet you need to put one, but we will see what he will say. But I made ready a wire inside, but the owner doesn't like it, so, and then we'll see. I will just open it later on. There. So that is how you connect this strip outlet under the kitchen cabinet or any cabinet. There. This one is long. I put 2. You know, there. I put 2 here. This one is also working now. There. We'll see this one, the end.
see that? Later on I will check one by one, but for now I only check the first one and the last one. There. Okay. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you, bye.